Kaolin is a kind of non-metallic mineral. It is a kind of clay and clay rock, mainly composed of kaolinite clay minerals. Kaolin ball press production line equipment is a complete set of raw material ball production equipment, from the material feeding, destruction, mixing, drying, packaging, palletizing, are through the electronic control system active operation, reduce the technical requirements of the operator and the number of workers, effectively reduce the need for manpower in the late production period, reduce the production cost, improve the market competitiveness of the enterprise in the occupation. The following is to introduce the 4 advantages of kaolin ball press production line. A high degree of initiative, reduce the intensity of work. The secondary production capacity is large, can meet the production needs of large mineral powder limited enterprises. 3 kaolin ball pressing production line can realize continuous operation, can meet the needs of enterprises uninterrupted operation. 4 kaolin ball production line function is reliable, stable, equipment maintenance and maintenance is simple and convenient.